A tiny broken toy waits quietly in the Lego Christmas repair shop. ToyFix Bot awakens with a gentle glow, ready to help. The shop is warm, filled with tools and Christmas lights. ToyFix Bot inspects the little teddy toy with care. It gathers tiny parts from colorful drawers. With steady hands, it repairs the broken arm. A glowing heart piece is placed gently inside the toy. The toy wiggles back to life just a little. ToyFix Bot cheers silently, full of joy. A toy train appears next, missing its wheels. Wheels snap on with the Cutest sound. Both toys sit proudly, newly repaired. ToyFix Bot adds a tiny Christmas bow. Magic sparkles swirl through the workshop. The toys are placed gently into gift boxes. The snowy window glows softly behind them. A heart-shaped swirl of snow appears. All the repaired toys line up proudly on the shelf. ToyFix Bot waves happily toward you. Every toy deserves love. Merry Christmas!